If you want to upgrade your motion design skills, you must watch this tutorial because text along path animation is quite easy to make. It's customizable and a one-time setup. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's create a new composition. Name it as per your requirement. You can see the rest of the settings on my screen. So first I select the type tool. And I'm going to add a text to this composition. So we need a path for this text. Right? So for that, I'm going to select the text layer, then I choose the pen tool, and I simply create a rough mask over this composition. Once you've created, it's time to make text along this path. So first, simply open the text layer, open the path options. Simply click on it and choose Mask Path 1. So it will automatically create a text along this mask path. As you can see that our text is placed over the mask path. But now, as we can see that there is no stroke background. So, to create this, simply select the pen tool once again and then make sure your fill is turned off and the stroke option is turned on. Then you have to simply create two pointed shape line. Let's move it below the text layer and then rename this layer as background shape. Now we have a straight shape path line in our composition, but we want to connect this path to the mask path which we created before for the text. So first I select the text layer and then I open its mask path property. Then I select the shape layer and search path in the search bar to reveal the path properties of this shape. Now pay attention, in this step I simply grab the pick whip tool of this path property and then parent it to the mask path. Right now, our shape is gone because the position and the anchor point of this shape layer are different from the text layer. So to solve this problem, I simply open its anchor point properties. If it's a match, then I open their position property. And you can see there is a difference. So I copy the text layer position property and paste it to the shape layer position property. By doing this, you can see that the background stroke line is perfectly aligned with the mask. Let me change the mask path color of this text layer so you can see it better. Alright, so the best part of using this technique is that if I select one of the mask paths of this text and if I change it, the background stroke line follows the mask. It means that it's a one-time setup and then you can animate the mask path and the stroke line will update automatically. Now let me show you how you can customize this background stroke line color. And we can control the color from the gradient editor. But in case you didn't find the gradient in the stroke line, so zoom out a little bit so you can see the gradient color handles in the composition panel. And once you find the gradient color handles, you manually adjust them to add a gradient on this stroke line. Now it looks good, however, it's not animating yet, it's just a still design. So let me show you how you can animate this text as a stroke line. So to animate the text, you need to open the text layer properties. And under the path options, you can get so many different kinds of options, but we need only the first margin and last margin properties to animate this text. If I change the first margin, the text moves. And by this property, we can animate the text. Now let me show you how you can animate the background stroke line. So for that, I simply close this text layer and select the shape layer. Then I'm going to add a trim path to this shape layer. Then you open the trim path properties and add a keyframe on the end value. Then I go back to the first frame and change the end value to match the text position. Then I adjust its keyframe position in the timeline to match the text animation. And that's it. So that's how you can create a text along path animation in After Effects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.